morning everyone, or good day everyone. I am Lord C.D. Augis, a Teacher 1 applicant for senior high school. This is my skills demonstration of NC3 bookkeeping. Okay, what I demonstrate to you for today is all about the rule of debit and credit. This is how important of the business or doing accounting jobs. So rules of debit and credit, this is how one way to analyze your transactions. Okay, the rule of debit and credit, it's actually when can you say that the transaction is to debit. Okay, when we talk about debit, it is cash or non-cash items are received. It is recorded in the debit column. It is also the credit balance increase. It is called the value received. Meaning, this is something, the value you receive, it is a debit. The value received is called a debit. That is most important thing. Okay? If there are something you need to out the value, it means to say that is debit. This is how the credit the value received, it's what we call the debit, and the value you give to the customers, it's what we call credit. In other words, credit is a cash or non-cash items are given, and it is recorded in the credit column. In other words, it is the value parted with. It means to say the exchange of your value. So kung yung kag-exchange, that is something you give to your customers, right? It's okay. Let's proceed. The following steps are undertaken in determining account balances for every account title, such as cash, account receivable, etc. These are the steps or the process. Add all the debit side to generate the total debit. Add all the credit side to generate total credit. Subtract total debit to that total credit. And other one is determine the balance of each account. This is something, the process you need to undergo during your making the general journal or the journalizing entry. Yes. Okay, that is the process. Let's proceed. Okay, matrix of the normal debit and credit balance of the 5 major accounts. This is the 5 major accounts: the asset, liabilities, owner's equity, revenue, and expenses. If you can see the normal balance of that is it. Okay, what happened to the expenses is the normal balance is debit because something you receive this as expenses. This is not really an asset. That is your expenses. Imo man na siyang nadawat. That is your expenses. You have questions? Okay. You know? Okay, just proceed. Okay, let's try these activities. Asset accounts normally have blank balances and an asset in a recorded. Okay, choose here and here. Okay, let us try. Okay, let's choose this. Okay, that is correct. Debit, and credit. Okay, another one. If you try this. Oh, sorry, that is not the correct answer. No, this is not the correct answer. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Let's go. Okay, and so on and so forth. As you can see. Okay. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Taas.